Today I am repairing a bucket for a loader. So far I've cleaned these pieces up that hold the bucket to the loader, and I've added these pieces here, as well as inside it was all chewed up over here, so I built that up. It's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to TIG weld a root and fill and cap in there and on this one, and then I'll be done. Now I've put a root fill and cap in here, and now I'm going to grind it flush. Not pretty, but it'll do. And here's the finished product. So it turned out pretty good. Can't even tell that I repaired it now, so not too shabby. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you want to see more content.